Motivation is like the spark that ignites a fire within us, driving us towards the pursuit of our dreams and goals. It is the fuel that keeps us going, even in the face of challenges and setbacks. And when motivation combines with inspiration, it becomes a force to be reckoned with. Inspiration comes in many forms, from the stories of ordinary individuals who have achieved extraordinary success, to the beauty of nature and the boundless potential that lies within us all. When we find inspiration, it stirs something deep within our souls, urging us to take action and step out of our comfort zones. It reminds us that we are capable of greatness and that there is a world of possibilities waiting to be explored. But what is success really? It is not merely measured by material possessions or societal recognition. True success lies in living a life filled with purpose, in striving for personal growth and fulfillment, and in making a positive impact on the lives of others. Success is not a destination, but rather a journey, one that requires perseverance, resilience, and continuous learning. It is about finding alignment between our passions, values, and actions, and creating a life that reflects our authentic selves. Success can be a powerful force, not just for ourselves but for those around us. When we embrace our own achievements and share our knowledge and experiences with others, we become a catalyst for their own growth and success. We have the power to inspire and empower those we encounter, sparking a ripple effect that can change lives and even entire communities. As we navigate our individual paths to success, it is important to remember that we hold the key to our own destinies. It begins with cultivating a mindset of self-belief, for it is our belief in ourselves and our abilities that propels us forward. It is about embracing the challenges, setbacks, and failures as opportunities for growth and pushing ourselves beyond our perceived limits. When we tap into our inner strength and unleash our untapped potential, we become unstoppable. So, let us harness the power of motivation, seek out inspiration in every corner of our lives, define success on our own terms, and believe in the extraordinary power we possess. Together, let us create a world where success is not limited by circumstances but a journey of growth, fulfillment, and making a positive impact. Let us inspire and be inspired, and let our actions speak volumes in the pursuit of our dreams.